Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is Sunday, February 7th, and it's a beautiful day. You're going to see the video, and I'm going to show you my laser pointer, which I found. Okay, do you see how it works? Oh, here. Okay. It is a laser pointer I found. Okay. Today I'm going to read to you what Sarah says for today's date. You are an artist. Okay. Most of us feel uncomfortable thinking of ourselves as artists, but we are. We think artists write novels, paint pictures, choreograph ballets, act on Broadway, throw pots, shoot feature film, dress in black, drink absinthe, and line their eyes with coal. But each of us is indeed an artist. An artist is merely someone with good listening skills who accesses the creative energy of the universe to bring forth something on the material plane that wasn't there before. It is part of spirit before we could see it as a book, a painting, a film. If you are willing to step out in faith and take a leap in the dark, you will discover that your choices are as authentic as you are. What is more, you will discover that your life is all it's meant to be, a joyous sonnet of thanksgiving. Excellent. Enjoy your day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is already Monday.